Hi, I'm Angel.
And I'm Regina, and we are Team Rex.
We will be presenting our renewable energy planning and design tool.
Today in our tutorial, we will be showing you step by step on how to run our program.
In order for our program to run correctly, we must first make sure that all 6 files are located in the current folder of MATLAB. Once the renewableenergy.m file is pulled up, we may now run the program. For explicit directions on how to operate the program, refer to the left-hand side of the screen as shown. First, we must select a city to work with. By selecting a city push button, the map of the city will appear with the grid, as shown. Prior to selecting solar panels and wind turbines, however, we must first push the Start button located in the upper right-hand corner. After pushing the Start button, we can start choosing solar panels and wind turbines to fill our grid. When the crosshairs replace the cursor, we click on 4 consecutive corners of a grid box, as shown. We may continue doing so with solar panels and wind turbines until we are satisfied with our design.
Once the user is done selecting grid elements to fill, the user has options they can choose from, which include saving current image to a PNG file, saving current work into a text file. Other options include a bill of materials, which states how many devices would need to be purchased to fill desired squared, along with the total estimated price according to how many devices would be ideally purchased. And finally, the user has the option to get a solar energy estimate to how many devices were used in the grid, according to how many devices were used in the grid. The user can save the image as a PNG file, as shown here. They have the option to select the file name and the path name, as shown here. Then it can press save, and it saves the picture. Once the user has saved their image, the user can later pull up their saved image in their saved file, as shown here. As you can see, the image saved was the current image. The user has the option to save their work as a text file output to later load as shown. You can do that by pressing on the Save as Text output. The user can then make changes as shown here, like change the city, include tiles, yet they have the option to go back to their current image, as shown here.
Now that you have seen how to select a city, solar panels, and/or wind turbines, along with how to save and recall a design you have already created, you may be interested in the actual amount of solar energy your design can produce. For this, after selecting your city, pushing Start, and placing solar panels and wind turbines as well if you choose, click the Solar Energy Estimate button in the lower left corner. Here you will see the potential watts of solar energy produced. Now you'll want to see the inventory and cost associated with your design. To generate a bill of materials, otherwise known as BOM, simply scroll to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the drop-down menu and select Create BOM. Now, in the MATLAB command window, you can view which solar panels and wind turbines you have selected and the amount of each used in your design. Lastly, you can view the cost of your proposed project.
Now you know how to design your own sustainable city using our program. Thank you for watching.